Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Mastermind. Now it is official. CMA Institute has officially notified the result date of CMA examinations that were conducted in Jan 2021, my dear students. So the results will be declared on 29th of March 2021, which falls on Monday. So all the students get ready. Even if you get failed, don't disappoint. It's very common in professional courses. If you are qualified, it's congratulations to you. So try to treat failure as well as success in the same manner. So and even if you get failed, don't worry. So you can work hard for the next attempt and can qualify in the next attempt. By the way, my dear students, after announcement of these results, we are going to conduct study hours and revision exams batches for CMA Inter as well as CMA final level students, and this service will be available in all our branches. If you are not interested to attend these study hours and revision exams physically, then you can write our Masterminds test series in which we will be conducting the service of revision exams alone. So get ready and hope that you will utilize these services in the best possible manner. By the way, don't forget to install our Masterminds Android app with the name Masterminds Online Classes app. All the best.